Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like to show how to automatically generate logo styles with a plugin called the Styler. The Styler plugin can generate color styles and text styles. So what this plugin do actually is to read colors and text from a box or from some text element in your page, and then they save the styles automatically into your logo styles. Okay, and the styler will name your colors and text styles based on the layer names. And then, so before we do that, we need to rename our layers so that it can be read correctly. Okay, I have created some the color palette with rectangles. As you can see, the names of all the layers are incorrect, just a default name. So we need to rename it first. So, and you don't have to. Fortunately, you don't have to rename them one by one manually. In Figma, Figma provides you an easier renaming tool. You just select all the layers, right click on the layers, and then rename, and then here's the renaming dialog. Okay, you can preview the names of your layers, and here you can start to type. So the way we name our styles is start by the group. Like for this group, this is a red group, right? You can name it danger, and /. We enter /. Figma will make a group of this, put all the colors into a group, which is called a danger. And then after that, we will name each color with a number like 0, 100, 200, 300. So here is the good thing from Figma renaming. It provides you an auto number. Then let's try it. When I select auto number, you can see it added the number to it, and in my input here, you can see here is a $, letter N. This means this is a syntax for the auto numbers, which means you have a list of numbers increasingly. So if you want to just display one auto numbers, you can just use n, single n, and then 0, 0. As you can see, this number becomes 100, 200, 300. But for my top number, I would like to start by 0. So change it to 0, and then it becomes like this. Okay, if everything is done, you are good enough, you can just rename. As you can see, everything is renamed correctly. Okay, there's a very important thing you need to consider when you are renaming it. Make sure the order of your blocks or your layers should be right, matched to your color, matched to your the position of your colors. Like this is the darkest number, which should have a darkest color, which should have a higher number, so it should on the bottom of the order, and this should be on the higher on top of the list. So make sure they are in the right order in here, which is matched to the order of the color gradient. Okay, let me do this again, show you do this again. But as you can see, the color order is not correct, so you can use the shortcut key, left right square bracket to put them to top, and double check if they have a right order by hover your cursor to it and double check. Yeah, that looks good to me. And now I select all of them, go to layers, right click, rename, and remember what I did previously. So it is success / make it a group, and you don't have to select something from here. You can just enter $, letter N, 0, 0. If you would like to start larger number on top and smaller numbers on bottom, you can use uppercase N so that it becomes from bigger number will go up to the smaller numbers on bottom, so as you want. Okay, so this is what I want, so I just use the lower level lowercase n. Okay, again I will start by 0 and rename. Done. Everything is here. So repeat this one. Warning. / $sign in 0, 0. Again, start by 0. Same thing here. Move everything to top and double check they are in the right order. Okay. Right click, rename, array / $, $n 0, 0. Start from 0. Again, same thing. This should be my primary. Okay, now as you can see, all my colors, all my layers are renamed correctly, and now it's time to launch the styler plugin. You can search, if you didn't see this plugin, you can just search styler. If you use it for once, you will see it under your plugin and widgets, and click select here and generate style. Here is the result of the generation. You have created 28 styles. Okay, deselect everything, go to your logo style panel, and then you can see everything is here. And remember how I renamed the layers. So as you can see, on the name of each color, there's no primary anymore. The primary goes to the name of the groups, as you can see here. So every time when you add a / to the name of something, Figma will consider, oh, you are creating a group, and then they put everything after the / into same group. Okay, so here is syntax of renaming further in Figma layers. Remember this. Okay, so that is for the color. Now we have a list of colors in our logo styles, which is simple. Okay, next let's move forward. Go to the text styles. For text styles, same thing. Layer names are important, and you just select everything and run the plugin. For text style, because we don't have too much difference, we don't have the auto numbers here, so you will need to rename each layers manually. So there's no I don't know any way to how to rename the layers all together in just one comment. So if you know anything how to do that, leave a comment to me. Okay, so I rename every text layers manually for each layer, and then I select everything, and I have three group of the text. First I have group of body, and you can see my name is renamed body / m, indicates the size of it, regular, semi-bold, and medium, which means the weight of the name of the text. And then I have the headings, 4 headings, and also I have a group of display font. Okay, yeah, just rename your text layers like this, and then select all of your text. Always remember your text should be, each text should be in its own text box, and double check your typography of each individual text. Make sure there's no mixed settings here. Make sure everything have a very specific settings, font and weight. Like for, if I generate for this one, which one? If I generate this text, it will be not generated because styler will not be able to recognize this because I have mixed weight. Okay. Let me try this first. You will see how did I mean. And then go to styler and generate style. And then go to deselect everything. Go to your local styles, and under your text styles you will see a lot of style text is added here. Remember what I saw here mixed. Let's say this is the body text, medium. Okay, let me see if I have that font. You can see there's no body medium, body M medium on. There's no M medium font size under body because that is not generated, because this is not working for styler because there is a mixed weight for text, so that is not working. Let's correct that. Make sure there is a very specific value in here, not mixed value. Okay, now you can, because currently you are missing this one, you can just generate this one, or you can just regenerate everything. Okay, I will just do this once. Because I have already used this styler function, I just select this generation from all, and now as you can see one style is created. And let me go to my styles, and you can see it is added below here. So I just move it up, down, move it to the middle of this group so that I can find them easily. Okay, now all my text styles and the color styles are generated here. Okay, so that provides easy way for you to generate styles. Only focused on one of plugins, but there should be a lot of other plugins. Maybe in future there will be more and more easier plugin to use to generate your styles more easily. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.